Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tango account using your Google ID. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login and sign up options at the home page. In order to continue with your Google ID, just tap on the Continue with Google option. However, you will need to link your Google account onto your Tango account before you can proceed with this option. So make sure that your Google account has already been connected and then tap on Continue with Google. You will now be asked to choose the Google account that is associated with your Tango ID. Just choose the appropriate Google account from your device that is linked with your Tango account, or if it is not logged in within your device, you might be asked to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you proceed forward with the confirmation, you will be logged into your account right away. And if this is the first time that you are logging in, then you will be asked to fill up a few survey forms. And after this step is completed, you will be taken into the Explore tab, from which you can explore the various different profiles on Tango that you can chat with. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Tango account using your Google ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.